Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping the built-in autoplay feature in Apple Music. On iPhone or iPad, open the Music app, play any track, then tap up Next. You'll see an infinity autoplay icon. Toggle it off. Once done, make sure you repeat this on every device you use, because autoplay is per device. On a Mac, open the Music app and open your Cue or the Controls menu to find the same autoplay control. Turn it off there, as well to prevent automatic continuation. Next, stop accessories from triggering playback. You'll inspect the car stereo, Bluetooth speaker, or HomePod settings and disable any autoplay or auto-launch options. Many car infotainment systems let you choose startup source or turn off media autoplay. Once done, make sure paired Bluetooth devices aren't set to automatically resume media. If a HomePod is starting music, open Home Settings and disable any automations or scenes that play audio when people. Finally, tidy up remaining triggers. You can temporarily sign out of Apple Music or disable background app refresh for music to stop unexpected starts. Then restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to clear session states. If a particular Bluetooth device still causes playback, unpair it and pair again, or choose a different media source on connection. Troubleshooting tip: if playback persists, reset Music app settings or remove the device from paired lists. That usually isolates the culprit and ends unwanted autoplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.